Hi guys, welcome to Business Map Kitchen. Today I'll be doing some gourmet sliced fish. Here I have the fish in some lime and the vinegar water, so I'm going to be cleaning the fish and seasoning it. So just stay tuned. Now guys, I'm going to be seasoning my fish. I'm going to be using some black pepper, some fish seasoning, and some jerks. I'm going to ensure that all these onions are rolled properly into the fish. We also adding a little jerk grease seasoning also. So I'm going to leave my fish to marinate for 15 minutes. Now the fish is marinated and the oil is hot with some garlic in it, so I'm going to be adding my fish so that my fish can brown. So as soon as the fish is done, I'm going to be turning it on the other side, alright?
A few moments later.
Yes, I've turned my fish on the other side, so I'm making the other side brown as well, alright? Now guys, I'm preparing the seasoning to brown my fish. So here I have some sweet pepper or bell pepper. I have some onion, garlic, and Scotch bonnet pepper. So these I'm going to add to my fish to brown it. Guys, now I'm going to be making the sauce for the fish. So I'm adding the onion, the garlic, the bell pepper, and the Scotch bonnet pepper to a little oil, and I'm going to saute that. Then I'll be adding some ketchup, some vinegar, some fish and meat sauce, and some soy sauce. And some water, and I'm going to leave it to boil, and then I'll add the fish to it. Guys, if you notice the fish is a little bit dark, it's just the jerk sauce that I add to it. That's why it's looking so dark. Alright? Guys, here I'm adding some ketchup, as I had said earlier. I'm making the sauce. I'm also adding some shandy sauce. Turn on the flame. A little soy sauce. Also adding onion and garlic onion. And then I'm going to be adding just a little water, and then after everything has come together, I'm going to be adding my fish to this. A little more just So I'm going to leave this to come together for about 2 minutes. Then I'm going to be adding the fish. I'm adding the fish to the gravy, and I'm going to let this cook for another 2 minutes. I'm going to cover this for 2 more minutes, and then it's finished. Alright guys, so this is the finished product of my brown stew sliced fish. So now I'm going to enjoy my fish. I hope when you try your recipe you will also enjoy it as well. Thanks for watching.